Oh, hello, this is Marshall Zukov, and here we are together again on YouTube. So, I've got a little something that I plugged in here from Custom Dynamics that arrived today. It's for the Indian trunk light, the LED trunk light. I've got it set on their most popular setting. We can see already the scheme lights that I have on here, and they do look really wavy and glitchy in the on the camera, but that's just how they are because they're LEDs, and they've got extra hertz frequency modulating through them. But the activation of the brake light is their number 7 strobe pattern. Blaster X, I think, is what it's called. So it's just a constant strobe on there for as long as the brake is being depressed. So just a quick little video on that, and more maybe later. Get out on the road, out somewhere, get a chance to take a better look at it. But really super easy. You just plug in to the stock connectors, and then you choose your setting. So for now, Marshall Zukov signing out.